Welcome to Cute Animal Wonders. Have you ever encountered a fish that's not just a pet, but also a warrior in disguise? Meet the Betta Fish, a colorful marvel that combines elegance, intelligence, and fierce personality, all in one small, fascinating creature. From their dazzling fins that look like flowing silk in water to their fiery territorial instincts, Betta fish are truly one of a kind. But there's more than meets the eye. Did you know these little fighters can recognize their owners and even learn tricks? And here's a secret. Betta fish possess a unique breathing ability that allows them to survive in the harshest environments. Curious to know how? Stick around as we reveal 4 incredible facts about Betta fish and share tips to care for these underwater jewels. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss the adorable and awe-inspiring moments of these colorful warriors. Fact 1. Surprisingly intelligent. Betta fish aren't just beautiful, they're surprisingly smart. These little warriors can recognize their owners and even remember routines. Ever waved your hand near a Betta tank and watched it swim toward you? That's not a coincidence, it's recognition. In fact, Betta fish are known to respond to their names, follow objects, and even learn tricks like swimming through hoops or jumping for food. Their intelligence isn't just for show, it's a survival trait that helps them adapt to their surroundings. And here's something amazing. Studies have shown that Betta fish can remember patterns and faces for up to 5 days. So, the next time your Betta interacts with you, remember, you're not just their caretaker, you're their companion. Fact 2. Stunning fins and colors. Betta fish are like living works of art, each one unique in its own way. Their flowing fins and dazzling colors are what make them so mesmerizing. Did you know that Betta fish come in a rainbow of shades, from vibrant reds and blues to shimmering metallics and even marbled patterns? And their fins? They're just as diverse, with types like the elegant half-moon, the spiky crown-tail, or the compact placat. Each style adds a distinctive flair to their already stunning appearance. What's even more fascinating is that their colors and fin shapes aren't just for beauty. They play a role in their survival and communication. A Betta's vibrant display can signal dominance, attract a mate, or even warn rivals to back off. Every Betta fish is like a little masterpiece swimming right before your eyes. Fact 3. Unique breathing ability. Betta fish have a superpower that sets them apart from most other fish, their ability to breathe air. Thanks to a special organ called the labyrinth, they can take in oxygen directly from the surface. This remarkable adaptation allows Betta fish to survive in low-oxygen environments like rice paddies, stagnant ponds, or even tiny puddles. It's what makes them such resilient little fighters, capable of thriving where other fish cannot. You might even notice your Betta occasionally swimming to the surface to take a gulp of air. That's their labyrinth organ in action. It's just one of the many things that make these fish truly extraordinary. Fact 4. Fierce territorial behavior. Betta fish are not just beautiful, they're fierce warriors when it comes to protecting their territory. In the wild, Betta fish establish and defend small areas as their own, chasing away any intruders that come too close. This territorial instinct is even more pronounced in Betta males. They flare their gills, spread their fins, and put on an intimidating display to warn rivals to back off. It's a spectacular sight, but also a reminder of their natural fighting spirit. Interestingly, this behavior isn't just about aggression, it's a survival mechanism. By securing their territory, Betta fish ensure they have enough resources and space to thrive. It's what makes them the true, colorful warriors of the aquatic world. Now that you know what makes Betta fish so extraordinary, how about learning how to give them the care they deserve? Let's dive into some essential tips to keep your Betta happy, healthy, and thriving in your home aquarium. Tip 1. Create the perfect home. The first step to keeping your Betta fish happy and healthy is creating the perfect home. Betta fish thrive in a tank that mimics their natural habitat, calm, warm, and spacious. Start with a tank that's at least 5 gallons in size. While bettas can survive in smaller tanks, a larger space allows them to swim freely and reduces stress. Keep the water temperature between 76 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, as betta fish are tropical and need warm water to stay active and healthy. Adding live plants or smooth decorations can create hiding spots and give your betta a sense of security. Just make sure there are no sharp edges that could damage their delicate fins. Bettas love exploring their environment, so a well-decorated tank keeps them entertained too. Finally, use a gentle filter to maintain clean water without creating strong currents. Betta fish prefer calm waters, so a quiet, steady flow is perfect for them. Don't forget to check the water quality regularly. Keeping it clean and balanced is key to their health. With the right setup and a bit of care, your betta will thrive, showing off its vibrant colors and graceful movements every day. Tip 2. Feed them right. A healthy diet is essential for keeping your betta fish vibrant and energetic. In the wild, betta fish are carnivores, feeding on insects and larvae. To replicate their natural diet, offer them a variety of high-protein foods. Pellets specifically made for betta fish are a great staple food. These pellets are packed with nutrients and are easy for bettas to eat. But don't stop there. Treat your betta with frozen or live foods like bloodworms, brine shrimp, or daphnia. These not only provide excellent nutrition, but also mimic their natural hunting instincts. Be mindful of portion sizes. Bettas have small stomachs, roughly the size of their eye, so overfeeding can lead to bloating or water pollution. Feed them small amounts 2 to 3 times a day, and always remove uneaten food to keep the tank clean. With a balanced diet and proper feeding habits, your betta will remain healthy, active, and show off its stunning colors every day. Tip 3. Monitor their health. To keep your betta fish healthy and happy, it's important to monitor their health regularly. Watch for signs like faded colors, clamped fins, or unusual swimming behavior. These could indicate stress or illness. Make it a habit to clean their tank weekly and test the water for harmful substances like ammonia or nitrites. A clean, balanced environment is the foundation of their well-being. And remember, a healthy betta is an active betta. If your fish is curious, exploring, and showing vibrant colors, you're doing a great job. Now that you know how to care for your betta, let's take a moment to enjoy some adorable and fascinating moments of these colorful warriors in action. more than just pets. They're little warriors with big personalities and stunning beauty. From their vibrant fins to their remarkable intelligence, each betta is truly one of a kind. Caring for these colorful companions is a rewarding experience as they thrive under your love and attention. With the right environment, a balanced diet, and a watchful eye on their health, your betta can live a long, happy life, dazzling you with their graceful movements every day. So, what do you think makes betta fish so special? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for exploring the wonderful world of betta fish with us today. See you in the next video.